Hey, it's me, Peter Griffin. Did you ever think about how my TV remote could get more dangerous than Quagmire at a kiddie party? What if some random text box in a website was like, hey, Peter, want to run my code? Would you trust that? So listen, imagine someone types in stuff and it shows up on a page without any escaping. Why would a website just paste whatever people type straight into the page like they're spreading jelly on toast? Doesn't that sound like asking for trouble? And what about forms that let you stick HTML in fields? You know, like when Lois asked me to type in a grocery list and I put flight chicken dance instead of milk. If the site renders those tags, how long before the whole page starts doing the chicken dance? Who decides whether HTML belongs in a form anyway? Now think of callbacks and redirects. If some input ends up in a URL or a script source, could someone redirect you to a weird place or load a sneaky script? Would you want a stranger's JavaScript inviting itself to your browser's party? So what do? Validate and escape on the server, not just trusting those pretty little client-side checks that disappear if someone knows how to open the console. Why do developers still treat the browser like it's a polite guest instead of a mischievous cousin who will steal your snacks? And best of all, how do we teach folks to test ethically? If you're sniffing for excess smells, unescaped input, HTML in fields, and dangerous callbacks or open redirects, what rules should you follow before poking around in someone else's app? Do you ask permission? Do you report responsible? I mean, I may be dumb about lots of stuff, but even I get that letting untrusted input run wild is like bringing a bear to a kegger. So how do we make the web safer without turning it into a boring, buttonless place?